And we're back with Trooper Iron Maiden Part 2 in this tutorial series for guitar. We're going to do the main riff now, Guitar 1 Dave, as featured on ultimateguitar.com. And here we're going to start on the B string, and we're going to do on the 8th fret. So you can see. Alright, in Guitar 2, Adrian, he does this thing on the 9th fret, the D string, and the 7th fret. So I'm going to put my 9th fret, is going to be my ring finger, my first finger is going to be on the 7th fret. I'm also going to have to use my pinky finger to hit the 10th fret of the A string. It's not a requirement, but it can help in efficiency. So here you go. All right, that's good for a start. Just keep practicing, and I will do the same. And good luck.